Whoa, this is a surprise. I'm in Suite 116 of Botanic Sanctuary in Antwerp. This is a hotel I didn't even know existed until a couple of weeks ago. It is in the Botanic Gardens. It's independently owned by the owner of the Hilton in Antwerp, who obviously wanted a luxury hotel. And my goodness, this is an incredible hotel. What more can I say? It's a leading hotel of the world. The staff, the girls, wear the most stunning pale green outfits, and I'm looking out at a cathedral. I've got flowers everywhere, the minibar, a fire, look, and I love the rough-looking coffee table. The whole thing is absolutely beautiful. I believe this is part of the old monastery, and by keeping what looks like not sacking but linen, it really does seem like an old monastery. I've got a yoga mat there. I can see over there lots of sockets. Goodness only knows how one's supposed to read those books. But I shall explore later here in Antwerp.